In our previous videos, we set up our products, added our taxes, and entered our customers. Now it is time for the fun part, actually getting paid. Today, I'm going to show you how to pull all those pieces together to create and send a professional invoice directly from QuickBooks Online. To get started, head over to the top left corner of your dashboard and click plus Create button. This is your master button for creating almost anything. Look under the Customers column and click on Invoice. This brings up a blank invoice. The very first thing we need to do is tell QuickBooks who we are billing. Click the Customer drop-down menu and select the person or company you want to bill. Notice how their email and billing address automatically fill in? That is why setting up the customer profile correctly saves you so much time. Next, check your dates. The invoice date is today, but you can change the terms to decide when you want to be paid. If you select Net 30, QuickBooks will automatically set the due date to 30 days from now. Now, let's add what we actually sold. Click into the Product/Service line and select the item from your list. Because we set our pricing up earlier, the rate fills out automatically. Just enter your quantity, and make sure the tax box is checked if this item needs sales tax applied. After that, you can also add the discount, add note to the customer, and add attachments. Once the total looks correct, head down to the bottom right and click the green Preview and Send button. QuickBooks will pop up a preview of the email your customer is going to receive, with a PDF of the invoice attached. If it looks good, hit Send Invoice. And that's it. Your professional invoice is officially out the door. If you have any question, just leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.